Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Solana analysis on February 13th. We're on the daily time frame. As we can see, after the reaction to the daily order block last week, the price reversed. However, this reversal wasn't able to change the overall trend, and after the weekend fluctuations, with the start of this week, we've seen more than a 9% drop in Solana's price. Solana confirmed its rootless downtrend by forming bearish break of structures, and by breaking the support level at $96.68, it caused a weekly break of structure to occur. So far today, Solana's price has managed to grow by less than 1%, but the prevailing bias still remains bearish. On this page, we are viewing the inflow and outflow of liquidity from Solana ETF funds, and we can see that yesterday a positive liquidity flow was recorded. However, considering that the fear and greed index has dropped to 8, indicating extreme fear, and Bitcoin, as the leading cryptocurrency in the market, is in a bearish state, we can't expect Solana to grow or start an upward movement. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that last week's downward movement was in the form of a liquidity sweep, and after collecting liquidity at the daily order block, an upward move began. However, this move was not able to cause a change in structure, and after filling the 4-hour FVG up to the $88.62 area, it reacted to this level several times and eventually dropped below it. This downward move continued until the previous support level in the $76.68 area, and now the price is reacting to this area. As long as the price is trading below the 4-hour order block at $105, we can consider the prevailing bias to be bearish and look for sell opportunities on pullbacks to premium areas. We are currently looking at Solana's liquidity map. As we can see, the highest amount of liquidity is accumulated above the highs and below the lows. The highest amount of buy-side liquidity is at $89.26, where we've had many equal highs. However, among the nearby buy-side liquidity levels that the price could react to in the short term, $79.88 stands out. We expect that after the price collects liquidity in this area, it will move toward the sell-side liquidity around the $76.50 range. By examining these areas on the chart, we can see the highest amount of buy-side liquidity in this zone, where there have also been many equal highs. Furthermore, as the nearest buy-side liquidity, there are two 1-hour FVGs in this area. The price is currently reacting to the 1-hour FVG in the $79.40 area. And if we see liquidity being collected from this zone, but the price fails to hold above these areas, we can expect a downward move toward lower targets. The sell-side liquidity close to the price is located below these two lows, which are at $77.85 and $76.50. Wishing you success and profitable trades.